Oh my golay. So take the snow. Tingnan nyo. Grabe oh, parang maybe 8 inches. There you go.